Welcome to part 85 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning English for customer service situations. This is useful whether you work in service or use it. Let's start with phrases for helping customers. How can I help you today? Is there anything I can assist you with? I'll be with you in just a moment. Let me look into that for you. Giving information. That item is available in 3 sizes. The store closes at 9 p.m. Our return policy allows returns within 30 days. When something isn't available, I'm afraid that item is currently out of stock. Unfortunately, we don't carry that product. However, I can order it for you. It would arrive by Thursday. Now, let's look at making a complaint as a customer. Excuse me, I think there's been a mistake with my order. I'm not satisfied with this product. I'd like to speak with a manager, please. Responding to a complaint. I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. I completely understand your frustration. Let me see what I can do to resolve this for you. Offering a solution. I can offer you a full refund. We'd be happy to replace that for you. I can give you a discount on your next purchase. Customer service is about making people feel heard and valued. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.